In this video, we will show you how to use the vectorization dialog with the new preview feature. Vectorization allows you to convert bitmaps into vectors. Artwork in vector format is a versatile file format that keeps the same file size and image quality when it is enlarged. Vectors are important if you want to use vinyl cutters, engravers, or routers. This is the first in a series of 3 videos about the vectorization feature available in SignLab. This video will give you an overview of the new vectorization UI, using a monochrome black and white image, and how to use selection area to enhance the vectorization results. The second video will show you how to prepare an image for vectorization using supersize, the new edge feature to improve vectorization, and finally reducing color in a photo before vectorizing it. The third video will explain how to posterize a region for complex graphics. The design used to demonstrate the vectorization tool is a black and white monochrome bitmap, which has a good resolution and is ready for vectorization without using the Prepare to Vectorize wizard. Import the bitmap we want to vectorize by going to the File menu and select Import. Navigate to the monochrome file you want to vectorize. Select it and click Import. Now with your mouse, click and drag the marquee within the page to ensure the graphic is within the page boundaries when it imports. With the graphic selected, SignLab shows that it is a bitmap in the top left of the window. To vectorize the logo, select the graphic, go to the Scan Tools icon found in the left toolbar, and select the AccuScan option, or alternatively you can double-click on the bitmap. The smart bar at the top of the screen changes to image editing options. The Vectorization tool button is the furthest right top button in the smart bar. Click the button. The vectorization dialog opens initially in posterized and vectorized view, with an image of the bitmap in the top left, and a preview of the vectorization below it. At the top left you have tools to zoom the view in and out, or reset to original zoom state. Using the view mode drop-down to the right, you can change the view to vectorized only, and with the tick box, change the vectorized view to wireframe. The right side of the dialog contains the settings for the vectorization process. The Trace Setup drop-down contains presets which contain settings for distinctive styles of graphics, text-based images, and detailed or simple graphics. For an easier starting point, you can save your custom settings with the Save button, or delete settings with the Deleted button. You have 3 areas of control. Detail, where you increase and decrease the amount of detail you wish to maintain in the final vectorized image. When set to higher values, the vectorization process can detect smaller lines and shapes within the image. Smoothing will increase or decrease the smoothing applied to a jagged line. Corner smoothness can be set to result in smooth or sharp corners. If you want overlay for colored designs, you can activate it by ticking the overlay box. For this job, zoom the view into the text. Set the values for detail to 92. Smoothing is set to 3, and the corner's smoothness is set to 2. Click OK. The job has been vectorized, and to complete the process click Close found at the top to the right of the tools. The vectorization has been completed, and the resulting vector art is positioned directly on top of the original bitmap. When the vector of the graphic is selected, it will say Group at the top left description box. Drag this group to a position to the side of the bitmap. To see the wireframe of the vector artwork, go to the View menu and click on Show Fill that has a check mark to its left. This will toggle the Show Fill option off, and will hide any fills within the vectors. You can also use the shortcut Alt-S key to toggle the fill view. The fill visibility is now off, and you only see an outline or wireframe. When you look at the vector lines of the results, they will have sharp corners, as well as a few sharp details in the script-style text. For most jobs the settings used will be sufficient. For refined results, you can use the Select tools in bitmap editing, and vectorize specific parts of the graphic using different settings. When you look at the design, you will see sharp corners in some words such as lecker, and in other areas such as the script text, Das Best, you will see smooth corners. To select only the block text with sharper angles, select the graphic and go to the Scan Tools icon on the right, and click on AccuScan. Go to the Select tools found in the upper left of the window, and click the Rectangle Select tool. To start, click at the top left of the full logo, and drag to the bottom right, surrounding the entire logo. Next, we want to remove the script text from the selection. Holding the Shift key will show a plus symbol to the right of the cursor, and will add to a selection. Holding the Control key will show a minus symbol to the right of the cursor, and will subtract from the current selection. Hold the Control key, and click on the top right of the logo. Drag to the lower left of the script text. This deselects the script text. Once you only have the blockier text selected, you can click on the Vectorization button. Start with the previous settings, but this time set the corner's smoothness to 1. Click OK. To vectorize the script text using different settings, select the graphic again, go to the Scan Tools icon on the right, and click on Accu Scan. With the rectangle select tool, click and drag a marquee around the script text. With the script text selected, click on the Vectorize button. When the Vectorize wizard opens, you will only see the script text in the preview window. This time set the detail setting to 100, smoothing to 6, and corner smoothness to 8 and click OK. By using the selective vectorization technique, you get a more accurate result that will need less node editing. SignLab's vectorization and selective vectorization can be used to quickly build a vectorized version of your artwork, ready for modification in your production workflow. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us at any time, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos covering SignLab products.